In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Epson EcoTank printer to Wi-Fi and add it to your Windows computer. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Turn on your printer. First, turn on your Epson EcoTank printer and make sure your Wi-Fi router is working. Step 2. Connect to Wi-Fi. On your printer, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi light starts flashing. Now, press the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. Wait a few moments while the printer connects. When the Wi-Fi light becomes steady, your printer is connected. Step 3. Add the printer to Windows. On your computer, click Start and search for Printers and Scanners. Open it and click Add Device. Wait for your Epson EcoTank printer to appear, then click Add Device. Give Windows a few moments to finish installing the printer. Step 4. Test your printer. Once the printer is added, open its settings and select Print a Test Page. If the page prints successfully, you're all set. Your Epson EcoTank is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready for wireless printing. If your printer doesn't connect or doesn't appear in Windows, comment your exact Epson EcoTank model below and I'll help you fix it. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to Print Smart Help for more easy printer setup and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching!